Hello, this is a LC LJ Torana steering rack pulled apart. There's all the components, the housing, the rack, the pinion, the tie rods and the two bushes in the front. Now this bush in the front is worn out. There's too much play on the rack. Can't buy one, but this nylon one is, I've found this one to have the same dimensions, but it is longer. The length I think will be better because it will support the shaft and stop it from wobbling more. And that nylon bush is out of a steering rack of a Mini Minor and Austin, some of the Austins. But this is the part number if you need that bush. In another video, when I reassemble, I will show you how I reassemble it without specifications.